Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create popcorn bucket mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the bucket. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the popcorn bucket size. Convert it into smart object, reduce the fill and press Ctrl T to transform. Select distort. Now right click and select warp. After adjustments, hit enter. Now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Increase the fill back to 100%. Double click on smart object icon and import the design here. So go to file, place embedded and place the design and transform it. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now make a duplicate of the popcorn bucket and create a clipping mask as well and change that blend mode to multiply. Reduce the fill to 55% and opacity to 90% and hit OK. Your popcorn bucket mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.